If you're looking to dominate and block blast, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, these tips and tricks will help you elevate your game and achieve higher scores. The first tip that I have for you is to first analyze your board. Before making any moves, take a moment to study the board. Look for patterns and opportunities to create chain reactions. Second thing that you should keep in mind is to prioritize special blocks. Special blocks like bombs or power-ups can clear large sections of your board. It is important to use them strategically. The third tip that I have for you is to plan your moves. Instead of making random moves, plan ahead. Visualize how each move will affect the rest of the board. The fourth tip that I have for you is to create combos. Clearing multiple sets of blocks in quick succession can boost your score. The fifth tip that I have for you is to clear obstacles first. In levels with obstacles like ice blocks or cages, clear them first to open up more opportunities. The sixth tip that I have for you is to save special blocks for difficult situations. Don't use your special blocks too quickly. Save them for challenging situations where they can make a big impact. And the last tip that I have for you is to pay attention to level objectives. Each level has specific objectives. Focus on meeting these goals to progress faster. Make sure to keep these tips and tricks in mind to dominate Block Blast. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.